Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Thanks for coming back. I hope you all are doing really well. So for today's video I am going to be showing you guys a hijab style inspired by AMENA. And AMENA really likes this style. Well, I think so because I've seen it a lot on her Instagram, and I thought that I should recreate it because I like it as well. And also I'm going to add a little bit of me in it, so it's not going to be basically 100% like hers. It's going to be a little bit of AMENA and a little bit of me. So without any further ado, let's just get on the tutorial. So for today's video I will be using this rectangular scarf, and basically what I am going to be doing first is fold it just a little bit, like so. And next I'm going to turn around the scarf so the part that I folded is facing me. And I am going to place the scarf on the back of my head, like so. Then I'm going to take these two parts of the scarf and basically twist them like this. Then I'm going to fix everything up. After that, I am going to twist these two parts again. Then I'm going to take this part of the scarf, I'm going to twist it and pin it down right here. So next I'm going to take this part of the scarf, bring it to the back of my head, and I'm going to pin it down. Okay, so next with this part I am going to basically take this part and bring it around my head like so, and then fold.